Hi, I am Varun Kumar from Network Systems, working as a project manager, Bangalore Metro and Chennai Metro. Nuron platform reduced setup time for a cables, decreasing ideal manpower hours.
Hi everyone, myself Ramesh, working for Network System almost 12 years now.
This is Pradeep Kumar, Area Sales Manager for CE Southwest. We are very proud to be a part of Network's journey and are committed to supporting them in every step of their projects.
My name is Kumar P. Working as a key account manager in Hilti, India, we were able to identify further productivity loss in terms of cable laying, inefficient tools, carded tools, and also regular power cuts.
Myself, Naveen, Solution Consultant. They have theft issues and limited visibility of their tools and their locations, which resulted in unnecessary procurement of tools.
Hi, I'm Shraddha, working in Network System in Purchase Department. Healthy tree management tools, we are able to achieve highly efficiency because the continuous worry for repeat work order has reduced.
My name is Shukma. I am working for Network System Private Limited as a factory operations manager. Hilti provided tailored solutions to improve efficiency and reduce cost.
My name is Bhavani Shankar Shetty. I manage this company called Network Systems Private Limited, and we are currently executing roughly about 285 kilometers of metro in progress. And we have covered almost 13 metros in India. The biggest advantage of Hilti tools currently with the battery operation is the tools which you need to carry for the activities in upline and downline. And second thing is your battery, which charges at in a very short period of about half an hour.
Our commitment and dedication remains unshakable as we continue to strive towards our goal of making construction better.